Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zavor brand pressure cooker, and on the display it's giving you an E3 error. Now this is the same for all of these Zavors with digital displays that you can control, and you're wondering what this E3 error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what the E3 error is a overheating error. So it's basically a safety mechanism that the pressure cooker, when it feels it getting overheated, it will automatically cut off and give you this E3 error. So what you need to do is figure out why it's overheating. Some of the most common causes can be that you simply didn't put enough liquid in the when you put it in the container, and so the water boiled away too quickly and it overheated. By the same token, if the steam valve or anything like that gets stuck in the open position and you turn it on, it could be that the water has boiled away and then it will overheat. So the main thing to do is just to add water and clean the bottom of the pot and everything like that to make sure you have a good connection, and then try it again.